the ground. No matter who you are, I throw a curse on your future, and you can rise again. I stay with all the trust, and you can dream again. I throw a curse on your future, and you can rise again from the dirt, yeah.
Had to stand up from the ground right now. Whatever situation you face right now, you have to stay strong. Believe in Christ.
The real beat.
Facing that time, you had left, you have to go. Feel the moment, feel the bus and let the moment go. I know you have that pain, we just let it go. I know you have that pain, we just let it go. I had to go hard and trying to do what's best for me. Happy time wanna see my face, I just wanna pop with y'all. I can't even dream, can't even see what I'm doing. Right now I see myself absolutely. I can't even go harder than you cause you feel so bad. Well, you can't even stay strong and fight for your dad. With your mind and stay focused with your real life. Hold on and stay put just for a little while.
No matter who you are, throw a curse on your future, and you can rise again. Stay with all the trust, and you can dream again. Throw a curse on your future, and you can rise again from the dirt, yeah.
I just had a dream, and I was on top of y'all, and you were like bound to me or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. At 17, he had a dream and told his brothers about it. Obnoxious was probably the feeling that he got ignited. He was hated, his brothers wanted him dead and gone. The Ishmaelites came on 20 pieces and he was sold. Nobody knew that they have led him to his destination. The dreams he had, they only came up in a revelation. They did not understand the profound mysteries. No matter who he was, he only ended in a victory. He knocked them obstacles and everything that came along, and God was always with him, he was never all alone. Admitted his weakness and submitted to God until all of his passions and factions and all his dreams were fulfilled.
From the ground, no matter